What's up everybody, welcome back to Steve TV. I'm going to go over a few things that I don't like about the Osmo Pocket that I'm hoping they'll fix. So stay tuned. What's up YouTube? I did a video, I don't know, a few weeks back about the DJI Osmo Pocket. It was just an unboxing video on my channel. Since then I've been asked a few times what I've thought about it because several people haven't bought it yet, so they want to know my opinion on it. So my opinion is it's a wonderful, marvelous device. Very portable, very easy to use. It didn't take but 5 minutes to figure out how to use it. So I really have no complaints, but if you've noticed, the camera just did a little jump on its own. That's one of the things I don't like about it. The face track will, I don't know, makes the camera jump from time to time. But I'm going to go over two main issues that I have with this camera. One being the autofocus jumping around. The second biggest problem that I have with it is, say you're walking with the camera, like the other day I was filming my children, and I'll show you guys an example of this video, but when I started recording, the camera was pointed too high, so I just tried to tilt it and lean it and kind of like, or I didn't even tilt the camera because of the gimbal, but I just started like lowering the camera closer to the ground and bring them into frame. But the camera had locked on something in the trees or on the sky. So as I brought the camera lower, the tilt of the camera just kept tilting up, and I'm trying to capture my kids and it's trying to record the trees. So it kind of has, a mind of its own at times. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up my example videos and post those, and I'll just do a voiceover to point out the dislikes that I have. Okay, if you watch right here, this is shot in 4K at 60 frames per second. As I pan from left to right, if you watch the autofocus, it'll jump in and out as different objects come into the camera, especially right here at the end. In this next shot, the kids are riding away from me, and I'm trying to bring them more center into frame, and I'm lowering the camera right now, but it's kind of locked up in the sky. So as I'm lowering, trying to get them in, it's not doing any good. The camera's just kind of stuck. And then the focus starts shifting as well, as you can see that in the video. And then in this section right here, the focus jumps around a couple of times, and then next thing you know, the camera just flips up. Well, there you have it. A few things that I dislike about the Osmo Pocket. I'm hoping DJI will, slowly release some updates that will take care of these minor issues. But like I said, overall, it's a great camera. I love it. I'm glad I bought it. It's just trying to learn how to deal with those little challenges, when you're trying to get that right shot, and all of a sudden the camera moves, or you can't get it pointed in the direction that you want it to go to. So, but as far as I see it, it's a must-have, especially if you vlog, because I'm in the vlog mode right now, and I'm gonna have much fewer problems because the face track actually locks onto my face, and I can move the camera around, and it's going to keep me in the shot. Seems like most of the problems rear their heads whenever you're trying to film scenes or film other people or film groups. When there's near and far objects in the shot, that tends to be when the focus issues happen and the camera gets distracted. But anyway, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. I hope this helps you. If you have any more questions, or if there's something else you want to know about this camera, just contact me and let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.